Now for question number 6 from this international IGCSE Cambridge paper 2 from February-March 2022. This question here is about constructions, and it's the only real part of constructions remaining in the syllabus since 2020. It says using a compass and ruler and compasses only in bold type. No protractors, only ruler and compass only. Construct this triangle, leaving your construction arcs. The side length of 12 centimeters has been drawn for you. Okay, so we have down here a line drawn which in your paper should be 12 centimeters. Okay, so I've kind of like adjusted it so it's going to be 12 centimeters according to this ruler. So there's 12 centimeters. Now, we need a ruler and compasses. This is a compass. All right. So we need to draw a triangle which has 3 sides, 12 centimeters, which is already drawn. The other side is 9.5 centimeters, and the other side is 8 centimeters. So what we do is we take one of these lengths. I'll take 9.5 centimeters first, and I'll measure on my ruler here 9.5 centimeters. So I'll take the ruler here and I'll measure 9.5 centimeters. So I'll open the compass, and you have to be as precise as possible. You have to try and be as accurate as possible. So you put the pin at 0, and then you open up the compass so the point of the pencil is at 9.5, which just about makes it in this compass. It's just about 9.5. You be as precise as possible. So now the distance between the pin and the point of the pencil is exactly 9.5 centimeters. So I know that this point, okay, where the other 2 sides meet of the triangle, it is exactly 9.5 centimeters away from this end of the triangle. So if I put the compass point exactly on this end of the triangle, over there, I know that if I rotate this around like that, exactly that distance, 9.5 centimeters away from this, this pencil and that point are exactly 9.5 centimeters away from each other. So I know that somewhere along where this pencil is passing through, that side, that point lies. The point where the 2 sides meet is somewhere along this line, because that line is 9.5 centimeters away from this side of the triangle. All right, so I'm going to now just make an arc, okay, so that it's like somewhere in that area. I know somewhere along this arc lies this point. Then what I can do is I can take my compass and I can open it up to 8 centimeters. So I open it up to 8 centimeters this time. So I've got my compass there. I want to open it up to 8 centimeters. So I open this up to 8 centimeters. Now I know that try and be as accurate as you can. I know that this line, this point, is also 8 centimeters away from this side of the triangle. So if I move my compass point so that it's on this side now, I know that if I put the point on this section there, I know that this pencil point is 8 centimeters away from that end of the triangle. All right, so if I now, do this arc like this, I know everywhere along where this pencil will pass is 8 centimeters away from that side. So I can see now that when I join those 2 arcs together, that point is not only 9.5 centimeters away from this side, it is also 8 centimeters away from that side. All right, and the more accurately you do it, the better. So it says leave your construction arcs. So don't cross them out. It should be in pencil, and you leave them. You don't cross them out. And then with a straight edge, with a ruler, you join together one end of the triangle to the arc, and then the other one. It doesn't matter if they overlap. It doesn't matter if they overlap, then the other one. So this is your 3rd point of the triangle. If they had given you some labels, you would then label them as well. All right, so those are your, oops, I should have left that as it was. Okay, so those are the sides of your triangle, and we have now constructed this triangle, okay, using a straight edge, a ruler, and a compass only, no protractors. And what would be wise for you to do is just to label, this is 12 centimeters, this was 9.5 centimeters, and this is 8 centimeters. Okay, so that's how you use a ruler to construct a triangle when you know all three sides. Okay, and there we have our answer. Right, so that's fine. Now they don't go on to ask you to check anything, but you could, for example, measure one of the angles here. For example, measure this angle, then use the cosine rule to work out what the angle should be and see how close you are. But they're not asking you to do stuff like that. It's a very simple 2-mark question, simply just testing your understanding. Don't get rid of the construction marks; they should be there. Okay, and that's how you construct this triangle. Okay, so that's question number 6 done. Other questions from this paper can be found in the playlist that will appear in the region over here. Other questions from this topic of constructions can be found in the playlist that we collected here. And you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on this link. Thank you for watching and see you soon.